welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here with another video. If you are new here, my name is Nicola. Guys, come make we go country. Today me I go to St. Anne's Beer, Windsor Road, where the Jamaican firewater is. Guys, I'm going there to check it out. I always saw it online where you have this water that can catch fire. So guys, come along on this journey with me. So I end up reach the firewater. It was a quick drive to get here. So now I meet Kevin. So Kevin I got tell me a little bit about the water and how it come about and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys.
As you can see where the fire is on top of the water, that's the source where the water comes up from the inner core of the earth. It comes up warm, salty and bitter, good for all aches and pains, circulation, swelling of the skin, arthritis. Any problem you have and get into this water, it comes out rejuvenated.
The water is so warm and nice. You can feel the energy of the water. You can feel the spirit of the water. You can feel everything. Guys, you have to check this out. Let me touch it first. So guys, I got the fire water and just heading home back from the fire water. Oh my god, it was such a great experience. You can feel the energy of the water. No man, people only need to check it out. Really nice. You can feel the energy. The water is so warm. It's real fire. I don't know how it don't burn. Yes. I'm heading home now because I'm going out tonight. guys, the dress. So today is my last night. Alright, tonight is my last night here. I'm going home in the morning. No, I'm on the wrong watch. So yes guys, I'm heading out. Tonight is my last night here and I'm going out for a drink. We finally find parking, so now I'm gonna take a couple pictures and then head inside. these are my bun when I pick up from the National Bakery. As the grandson love buns, so I make sure I care about bun for him. Love Jamaica spice bun. So guys, I'm heading home now. So these are the stuff when I buy a Jamaica and carry back home. I did not purchase a lot of stuff because most of the stuff are here. So I just carry back 2 boxes of beef patty because the real Jamaican patty is not here. And these are some breadfruit I have left over. And you know I not leave my frankfurter. So you know, so you cannot carry the pork one, so I have to end up carrying the chicken one. So I carry 2 of that, and then I carry 12 bun because my grandson really loves them bun here. So this is the only thing I purchased. I did not purchase any alcohol because it's here. The red label wine and the rum that we use is here, so I can get those here. Finally reach home safe. I just get my package from Sheena. I ordered this package a long time ago. Anyway guys, please like, comment, share and subscribe. I come to the end of this video.